I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to remove a card from your Revolut account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your card settings. Step 2. Navigate to cards. Once you're in the app, find the cards section. This is usually located at the bottom of the screen or in the main menu. Step 3. Select the card to remove. Tap on the card you wish to remove. This will open the card details where you can manage your card settings. Step 4. Remove the card. Look for the option to remove card or delete card. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure you want to proceed with the removal. Quick gotcha: if you have any pending transactions linked to that card, you may need to wait until they are cleared before you can remove it. Step 5. Confirm removal. After confirming, you should see a notification that the card has been successfully removed from your account. Double check your card list to ensure it is no longer there. And that's it. Removing a card from Revolut is straightforward once you know where to look. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.